Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically, depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently because we have to open the recents. So if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, just tap on the button with the square icon probably, or the 3 bars icon. And if you've got the gestures, just like me, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up and hold it right in the middle. And as you can see right here, we've got previously opened tabs. So if you want to, you can close only one of it, for example, just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you want to close all of them because you've got a lot of apps opened, then simply go to the very left and tap on clear all. And as you can see, we just automatically got back to the homepage, so let's enter the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So actually this is it. This is how to turn off running apps in your SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.